Now, to avoid puffing at the back, my bust point is 11.5 inches. So this is 11.5 here. This is 11.5 here. At this point, I will come in by ½ inch just to avoid the puffing at the back. Then I have to take it from this point here at this upper point. I will curve it to this point where my bust point is. Then I'll take it back just to avoid the puffing at the back. Then I'll cut it off. Place it on the second one to do the same to it. At this point now, I will place my lining. Then at this point, I'll go to my sewing machine. I'll join through the neckline with ½ inch, the zipper line ½ inch, and the other side with ½ inch. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. So guys, do you like it? Drop your comments at the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.